everybody, welcome to Tucker's Outdoor Adventures. The storm is here. We just woke up this morning and we got snow on the ground. Rhonda.
Hi everybody.
If you're new to the channel, it's my wife Rhonda and I'm Randy. This is the ice storm and I guess snow. We got snow too, so. But this is the one they call for in 2026, so we're just gonna wait it out and see how bad it gets. But we'll catch y'all in a few. Hey guys, welcome back. Can't go outside really, it's storming. So we are doing an indoor video. But it's starting to do a wintry mix again. It's around
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. We got Ruger here with us, and there's Rhonda.
Hey everybody.
But we just wanted to update y'all. Power's still on right now. It just really just now started back. Had a long pause, and every now and then it would sleep, but right now we're just at, waiting point to see what's gonna happen. But we're gonna probably call it a night and probably update tomorrow. So we'll catch you guys. You wanna say anything?
I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's staying safe, staying warm, and especially the people down in Georgia. So y'all just be safe out there, because people down in Georgia are getting hit by a tornado. I don't know if they're getting hit by now. But yeah, everybody just stay warm. If you have a buddy heater, use it. If you have a propane, or not propane, a kerosene or a generator, those come in handy. Hint, hint. Hopefully we'll have one next year, hopefully. But we'll just see what this happens with the weather. But anyways, guys, hope y'all liked today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the Tucker's Outdoor Adventures.
Alright guys, we'll catch y'all next time. Later.